What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. No, I haven't posted in a while and a lot has happened. I know I was supposed to vinyl wrap my car. A lot has happened. I don't even want to talk about it. I don't really have a good explanation for you guys right now. Long story short, I'm just not going to be wrapping my car and it sucks, but it is what it is. So let's not even talk about that. Let's talk about today's video. I'm going to show you guys something because Dip Your Car has a sale going on right now. So I know I've never made a video on how to plasti dip your wheels, and I've probably plasti dipped wheels maybe like 60-70 times at this point. I've been doing it since I was 18. But the good thing is Dip Your Car is having a sale right now, and basically all their wheel kits are, I don't know, like 10-15% off, so everything's really cheap. I'm gonna be showing you guys what comes in the kit if you do purchase it. I'm also gonna put their website down below in the description, so that way if you guys want to click on that, go through their colors, see what they have, you can do so. Alright guys, so I just started taking apart the kit from Dip Your Car, and I'm just going to show you some of the stuff that it gets. It comes in a bigger box than this, but I already took everything outside. Obviously you're going to get the pre-dip spray. So what this basically is, it's a way to clean your rims. They give you a rag to use right here, so you spray it on your wheels, or you can spray it on the rag, just wipe off all the grime. It's going to make it so that way when you spray the wheels with the Plasti Dip, it's going to adhere better and obviously just look better overall. The bags here, they actually give you, this is to put over your rotors, so that way if you don't want to take your wheels off, save a lot of time, and you just spray right over your wheel with the tire on, with the rotors on, and you just cover that obviously with the bags. Now coming to the colors, you're going to get one can that's not inside the box. It's going to be in that bigger box. This little box here is going to be all your other colors. So I have 4 cans of black, and then I have 3 cans of glossifier. I'm going to do gloss black wheels obviously. This is dip release. You just spray some of this onto a rag and you just wipe it. It's going to literally take away, pretty much to my understanding, it just liquefies the dip, and then when you wipe it, it just wipes it clean off. So if you're worried about it being on your tires, this is a good way to get.
Yeah. Loud. Yeah. I am fatigued, I give it my all with the music. People do not recognize the passion I have for the craft. The effort I'm giving with every line that I write. A ridiculous life is affecting my content. All of the sins that would sit on my conscience. Insecurities that I am possessing. Why is my depth in the constant obsession?
Something I wanted to point out, when you put these bags over these rotors, make sure it's not sticking to the wheel like this. Because what happens is when you start plasti dipping, the plasti dip's actually going to end up drying to that bag. So when you go to pull the bag, it's actually going to lift the Plasti Dip. So always make sure you can push it away from the wheel, so that way when you spray, it's not going to get stuck to the bag. Just make sure everything's covered for the most part, and then you're pretty much ready to go and start spraying. Another tip for you guys while doing this, if you do have 4 cans, put each can with the wheel. So honestly, like, I'm not worried about wasting it because I know I'm going to use it for this anyways, and I know it's enough. But like, spray 1 coat on that wheel, use that can. Spray 1 coat on this wheel using this can, and then so on and so forth. So as you can see, I have everything prepped up. Got the rotors covered, brake calipers covered, got all my cans set up. I do only have 3 cans of glossifier, so I'm gonna have to switch off on these 2 wheels with that 1 can. But I'm pretty much gonna start spraying now, and then I'm just gonna show you guys the final result.
Then I am reflecting, think about the life that I chose and the path of the young nigga moving on. And I've been down and out cause I was looking for the answer, but never really had no question. Tell me that I'm accepted, I'm getting sick and tired of rejection. I said I can't deal with the nonsense, the pain been constant. I wish I wasn't this depressed so I could deal with the stress. I feel it all times, I'm debating what the fuck I'ma do with the cadence. I hope it is a weed, nigga, I can take it deep to the depths of your soul with a list of my goals that I can never attain. And you would take it in vain. I tried to explain and giving you my pain. Take a listen to the record and tell me I'm insane with the way that I was raised. I swear that I've been trained, prepared to be alone.
So right now I have about 3 coats on each wheel, and I wanted to show you guys something. See how some of this area looks a little bit faded? That's because I never hit that spot with the cans, because you're not spraying underneath trying to shoot upwards. The best thing to do is after you do enough coats, move your car forward so you can see all the areas that you missed, and then hit those a few times, let those dry, and then once you do that, you got full coverage. When you move, make sure you readjust your bags, because obviously your bags are going to move with the rotors and the wheels and might get a little bit messed up. But yeah, as you guys can see, they're starting to come along. I just wanted to point out also that I did not do the glossifier yet. This is just a black coat. So that is why it's not shiny.
Back in the tone, I've been looking for the meaning of life. With the voice in my head, tried to get it all right. I could never get the light when I felt that I needed it. Proceeded with my genius, conceiving this, the meanest shit. You will with pen and paint it. And the second that a nigga picking the pen, I guess it all depends upon the...
So I don't know if you guys can tell or not, that's just one coat. I'm probably gonna do 3 or 4, depending how shiny I really want it to get. And once that dries up, it's gonna look a lot better. So here are what the wheels look like now. Don't mind my car is extremely dirty. Currently this is with 3 coats of glossifier. Now they gave me 3 cans. I probably used half of a can. So that goes to show you how much more shiny I could make these if I really wanted to. But I don't want to overkill it. I think this is pretty much close to perfect for what I want. Not too glossy, just more of like a satin finish. But as you can see, everything looks good. I still have to peel the tires and use the dip dissolver to kind of wipe the tire Plasti Dip off. But I have to run some errands, so I'm probably gonna do that later on when I get back home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully it helped some of you guys if you never used Plasti Dip before, or you just don't have that much experience using Plasti Dip. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, as always, please feel free to comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, any questions. Maybe you have tips for me if I did something wrong in the video. Let me know. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please do so. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.